Let me tell you something, bitch. You gonna get your ass in this fuck. You gonna get your ass in this goddamn. How many times do I have to do this to her? Y'all seen the other videos? Get your ass in the. She still haven't learned a motherfucking lesson. Get your ass in the video. Get in there.
I don't want to get
mad at her.
I don't want to get legs are ashy. I don't want to get mean with it. Please don't make me.
Hi everybody.
Ouch.
I'm August Cole.
You're hurting me.
I'm beautiful.
You're hurting me.
I wanna be a star.
You're hurting me.
Jasmine, you promised.
Why are you talking to the camera, not to me?
Birthstone. Oh, my birthstone is green. If you're wondering why I picked green braces.
Oh, that's why you picked them?
Mm-hmm. Bitch! Bitch! You fucking put saliva on me.
I bit you.
If she wasn't my sister, I'll be grossed
Your hand is in
out.
my private part. Your hand is in my private area.
Kiss me to the phone. See you later on. When are you gonna post my videos on MySpace? Stop, nigga. Huh?
I don't know. I don't want to take a picture with you though.
Jam, can you do me a favor?
What?
Since I spent my valuable time making that video and you didn't even put it on there like you promised you would. You promised. It's been over a month. I even bought a new wig and you still haven't did it. That means us a long time ago.
Can I tell you
Cause
something?
it takes me a while to save
Can I
up
tell
for
you
the
something?
wig.
You snatched my head back. That's my damn necklace, number one.
This is mom.
No, it's not. That's mine.
This is mom.
Where'd you get it from?
It's from mom.
Where?
On her TV.
That's mine.
Well, I wear it to the kick.
Okay, can I say something?
I wear it to the kickback. People.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
Yes, that's one about Jesus. That necklace is about Jesus, right? That's what it's.
Oh, I
There's a
know.
script on it. It says, your loving spirit helped me find my way. This is okay, bitch. Take this off. This is the necklace I got Mama for her birthday.
Is that was
for
what
Christmas.
Ray J was talking about?
It says
when
mom
Lil
on
Wayne
it.
was doing
Look.
that rap?
It says
Help
mom
me
on
find
it.
mom.
Look. It says mom. Mom.
Yeah.
I brought that for Christmas. Take it off.
It matched my outfit that night.
Okay, because I don't want to take a picture with you, and I don't want you to snatch my head back again.
But are you gonna do it for me, like because you promised me? And
Yeah.
that's not fucking right, Jasmine.
Yeah, I have to go now.
Do it now.
No, I'm working on my paper.
You say that every night though. You never do it. You
But
always.